Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy Fold5. Firstly, go into Play Store on both smartphones and download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then repeat the same steps on both smartphones. I will start with an Android. Firstly, choose I agree at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. Finally, in this pop-up, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. To close it, just hit OK. Now you can either choose Close in white pop-up at the top or simply click on your device's screen. Nextly, select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Samsung Fold. Also on Fold, scroll all the way down and tap on one of those options to decide if you wish to personalize your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Now tap on Close this window and go back to an Android. By operating all of those categories available at the top, you can pick multiple files to transfer and do that right away. I will go with all of my pictures, so when I choose Send next to Select it and hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up, I need to decide which connection way I want to use today. If you wish to use the QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on Samsung Fold. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the QR code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input key section instead, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, come on. As you can see, all of my photos were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!